Alright, quick tip for anyone with a motorcycle out there. They're looking to replace the handlebars. Mine's are all messed up, they're all bent, so I'm ready to get new ones today, maybe from one of those dealers here in Cali. So to remove those, the switches and everything, Phillips screwdriver, get them loose and just push it out. And then for the ones trying to remove this, the covers, it's a AC way. So the easiest way, I'm gonna put a flat screwdriver in here. I'll give it a little squirt of gasoline, and then that's gonna make him loose, and that's how it's gonna come out. So let me go ahead and then put the screwdriver there. Let me put the camera on off for now. Let me be right back. So I have the flat screwdriver in there already. I'm gonna put a little gas in there. Just a little bit. That's gonna get him loose. Why? Because it's rubber. All the way around. Work your way out. And now you're gonna grab it. See how easy it comes off? The same when you're gonna put it back in. See? They're in and out. Nice and easy. So that's how you do it. Same for the other way. The other side. So let me flip the bars and I'll show you right now. Now to release the throttle, same, you get loose. You're gonna loosen those two Phillips screwdrivers and then pull it out. Nice and easy. So there it goes. Mine, because of the crash, I guess I'm gonna need a different one or new one, because that one is busted. So I'm gonna have to open it and then order a new one. So let me go ahead and flip this one around and try to get that one off, and I'll be right back. Alright, same way, make your way in with the screwdriver. It's already there. You just have to pry this off, like make some little space so you can squirt the gas in there. And all you need is a little tiny bit of gasoline. So let me try to hold this with one hand and this one here. I'm gonna drop it. There's a squirt of gasoline right there. That's all it needs. Just work your way out. Try to spin it around. Let me see. Let me put the phone away. Hold on. Okay, so I pried this little bit open. Squirt a little squirt of gasoline. You can try the WD-40 your carburetor cleaner, but for me, because of the gasoline and what everything it has on it, petroleum and all the other goodies, so put them in there. Let the gas go through it. Remember, some of them have some type of glue. So this one goes for you, Goku. Look how nice and easy. You see that? That's how easy you can remove it. Because this thing has glue, remember? Look all the glue right there. But the gas is gonna get them loose, it's gonna loosen up. If you can reuse this again if you want, but you're gonna need glue. And then before I just wash everything with soap, everything, alcohol, make sure there's no gasoline still in there, or WD-40, whatever you use. And then you're gonna have to use glue in this one. Put some glue in there, slide this one in, and ready to go. So now to release this one too, all you're gonna need is again the Phillips screwdriver, get them loose, and then pull this one out. Thanks for watching.